Let us go through chapter number 16, effects of pollution. Now we are already aware that how pollution damages our surroundings with all the extra amount of the gases and the smoke that is present in the air and the chemicals and the other substances that are present in the water, the solid waste that is thrown onto the land surfaces and the various kind of the pollutants they are formed which tend to affect all the living life, whether it is the plant or whether it is the animal or even the vegetation. Now these lives they are affected by the pollution. Now we have already the combination of the gases that is present in our atmosphere. Now these various gases, when the extra amount it is added on by various of the human activities, it then tends to destroy the original structure of the atmosphere, leading down to the various effects such as the global warming. For the survival of the life on our earth, various of the combination of the gases, it is important. Now, not only that, these combinations, they have formed the various cycles like the nitrogen cycle, carbon and the oxygen cycle. Now, these cycle which support the plant and the animal life on our earth. Let us go through the effects of the air pollution on human health. Now, what are the effects of it? Like the various kind of the respiratory diseases like asthma, people get affected by it. Then the inflammation, damage to the immune system. Then the toxic chemicals that are poisonous chemicals that are released into the air. They tend to settle down on the plants and the water sources, and then they are consumed by the animals, and the poison it travels up to the food chain, leading up to the biomagnification. Now this is what the biomagnification is. Then the effects of the water pollution. Now what is the water pollution? Like many of the diseases, they are caused by the microorganisms. Then again the poisonous substances, they are present in the polluted water. And then the various of the diseases that is caused by the mosquitoes, and the diseases that are caused by the biological agents. Now, waterborne diseases, few of the examples that is given in the book like typhoid, diarrhea, then cholera. All of it is caused because the water, it has been damaged by various of the pollutants. Now, coming to the effects of the chemicals on human beings. When the chemicals, they get dissolved either in the water, maybe from the industrial waste or the agricultural waste, or get mixed into the soil, then the various kind of the compounds they are formed out, which again tends to harm the human health. Like lead, it is poisonous to both the central and the peripheral nervous system. It gets collected in the bones, it tend to harm the bones. Then the pesticides, they can cause the tumors and cancers. Then mercury, it damages out the nervous system. Now, what is the effect of soil pollution? Now, soil pollution, it is caused out by the various of the